Hello guys. Very warm welcome to Shanghai Elue Machining, official YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about CNC laser cutting, its working principle, its applications in various industries, and in the end, we'll talk about the benefits of CNC laser cutting. Okay guys. Let's get right onto it. If we talk about any manufacturing sector in the world, then business requirements and customer demands have always been evolving over the time. To fulfill these strict and intricate manufacturing requirements, machinists need an advanced manufacturing technology. That technology should be reliable, economical, and proficient. And that technology is computer numerical control, laser cutting technology. It has become an indispensable industrial necessity for the world of manufacturing and commerce. Okay then, let's introduce you guys with the CNC laser cutting. Laser cutting technology is a thermal process that uses a computer numerical control laser cutter to mark, cut, or engrave a workpiece to produce customized products. It carefully directs a concentrated, high-energy laser beam to melt or vaporize the material in a confined blank area that creates highly precise parts. Laser cutting offers flexible, highly accurate, economical, and excellent quality, contact-less cutting for various manufacturing needs. Now let me explain the working of laser cutter. To initiate the laser cutting process, first we develop the idea according to the customer or business requirements. Then we convert your intangible design into a digital design using any CAD software. Next, we'll convert the design into a programmable computer instructions called CAM code. This CAM code guides the laser cutter to what direction to move, how much power to use, etc. It empowers the cutter to cut through the blank specifically and very precisely. After that, we'll transfer CAM code to machine and set up the machine, and finally, we start the process. CNC laser cutter produces a high-energy laser beam that is prudently guided onto the material through the laser head. The beam then melts, vaporizes, or burns through the blank, which is associated with the material's properties and power used. Once cutter head completes all the instructions, then we get our finished product, with no need to apply with any kind of surface finishing. The part is taken off from the machine and cooled down. Next we see how different industries use laser cutting to produce numerous products. In the world of manufacturing, laser cutters are extremely useful and must have equipment for workshops. Below are some industries where laser cutting is being harnessed. Kitchenware Industry. Conventional production techniques for kitchenware sector have a major drawback, like these offer poor working efficiency, require huge mold and thus, overpriced. But the manufacturers, who employ CNC laser technology, their processing efficiency is excellent, and they are producing cost-effective and high-precision kitchenware high-end products. Automotive Industry. There are numerous automotive parts with intricate design specifications that need to be highly accurate, demand faster turnaround and durability. As CNC laser cutting process offer these qualities. Thus it is highly recognized by automotive manufacturers. Automotive parts made using laser cutting include doors, lift gates, fins, fenders and airbag components. Fitness equipment manufacturing. Fitness industry requires a very diverse equipment range. The angles of these machines should be extremely precise, accurate, and error-free. Otherwise small mistakes may cause muscle imbalance in the body of athletes. Fitness equipment manufacturers can also use CNC laser cutting for their product making. Marine industry. CNC laser cutting technology has transformed the way shipbuilding industry used to work. This technique renders many benefits for cutting high-strength ship plates, like great cutting seam quality, no slag hanging, no finishing requirements, high precision, and many others. Advantages of CNC laser cutting. CNC laser cutting offers numerous advantages, and few of them are. It can process non-ferrous materials with ease. It can meet quick fabrication requirements. It can cut through the thickest metals, that also include mild steels. It can produce complex part geometries, with accurate detail. It offers easy design modifications. No need to apply finishing. Thank you very much guys for watching the video. If you need CNC laser cutting services for your business, you can contact us right now. our state-of-the-art workshop, and seasoned staff, are always at your disposal to guide you, with the best possible solution, to solve your business needs.